We have been doing a lot of videos around generating images from text. I have already shown you quite a lot of software applications from generative AI from different companies, whether commercial or open source, on this channel. But if you want to stick with only one product when it comes to generating images from text prompts, I would say it should be Stability AI's new offering, which is SDXL 0.09. In this video, let me give you a quick intro why I think that this is the future and it is really going to disrupt and overtake all the rest of the products. On your screen, you can see the quality of the images which are right now on Stability Diffusion's website. These have been generated through STXL 0.9, and soon in mid-July they are going to release the full version 1 of this STXL. The beauty of this product is that it is free and it will be open source. All the code is already available on GitHub, and soon you will be able to see the code for version 1 in mid-July, which is just in 15 weeks, 15 days or 2 weeks. Now, just to give you an idea, um, click here and then give it something, anything like maybe I would say create a white sandy beach with shark in background and palms. Okay, let's see what happens. I'll say generate, wait for a minute, I'll say skip. And I think there are different pricing models. With the free one, you get to have 400 images per day. Okay, so there you go. It is so shark is on the sand by the way here, so it was unable to generate the correct image, but that is fine. Still very close to reality. Okay, I'll say shark in water and palms in background. I think in uh, in ocean. I'll say maybe I think I gave it a wrong prompt, so I changed my prompt to better represent what I want, and then let's see what it does. So it takes around few seconds. Now, okay, so there you go. Still, I think the fourth one is near what I wanted, but that is fine. So you get the idea. Still, instead of content, let's focus on the image quality because we have been seeing that a lot of these products struggle with the quality. But if you look at this image quality, it is really good. All the lighting which is coming down and stuff. Okay, let's go back and let's look at these example. Let me go with this one. So when you click in it, it is going to generate images related to that one. So wait for it to come back. Okay, so as you can see, it has generated the same image in different qualities. And you can also give it some of the styles. For example, I'm going to go with fantasy art uh, and then regenerate it. Let's see what it does. So as you can see that it has converted that image into the fantasy art. So the options are limitless and you can go in and play with it. Again, it's free, it's really good. And there are a lot of other tools too. For example, you can relight your image like this. Let me click here and show you what I mean. So as it is initializing it, let me grab an example and then we'll go with it. So as you can see, you can just place this lighting here or here maybe. So you can just rotate it at different location. You can also just increase or decrease this brightness here, and you can also check out the distance and decrease and increase the radius. A lot of things you can do with this tool, and it's all free, which is amazing. And if I show you the pricing, as you can see, free version has 400 images per day. That is insane, really crazy. and just with $7 you can have 1500 images. I don't think so I would ever even complete 400 images per day. And if you go to their website, the another great thing is that soon when the version 1 is released, you can run this on your own local system, and all you need is Windows 10 or 11, or even it runs on Linux with 16 GB RAM and a GPU with 8 GB of minimum VRAM. And I would suggest you go with 16 GB because that is when it really shines. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to install it in on your own system. I hope you like it. If you have played it and if you have any feedback, please share it with us. Thank you.